Veer, so today we're at the playground to learn about simple machines.
Oh, but why aren't we at a factory? Isn't that where the machines are?
No, Veer, the factory has pretty complex machines. Simple machines are the ones that are used in everyday life. And today I'm going to show you a few simple machines that occur at the playground.
Yes, I love the playground.
Okay, so let's go find some simple machines. A lever is the most common simple machine. It consists of two forces acting in different directions on the same object, which rests on a pivot.
Okay, bhaiya.
The seesaw is an example of a lever. When one side is pushed down by the weight of the person, the other side is pushed up. This can be used to lift heavy loads.
Okay, bhaiya. Now I understand this.
Now look here at the people cycling.
Oh, the cyclists.
Let's take a look at the rotating wheels. That's the second machine.
So when the wheels rotate on the rod, the person moves forward.
Yes, the advantage is that because only a small part of the wheel is touching the ground, it doesn't cause a lot of resistance, allowing the cyclist to move very easily.
So wheels and axles are used in cars, trucks, and even wells.
Yes. The last mechanism is the inclined plane or the ramp. As you see, an inclined plane makes it easier to lift loads as you lift an object over a large distance.
Okay, bhaiya.
Today, we learned about three machines. A lever is a setup where two forces are put in different directions on the same object, which rests on a fulcrum. A wheel and axle is a setup where a free wheel rotates on an axle used to reduce friction by reducing contact. An inclined plane is a ramp which is used to lift things easily. Thank you.